Long before there were words, humanity dreamed. Long before history, images danced within the human soul. Carl Jung looked into the abyss of the human mind and saw something extraordinary. An invisible vast territory shared by all humankind, a deep ocean called the collective unconscious. In this video, you are invited to journey into that vastness, to confront its symbols, to encounter the archetypal forces silently shaping every choice of your life. Jung wrote, "The human soul is of the nature of fire. The collective unconscious is its eternal flame." Freud taught us about the personal unconscious, repressions, traumas, forgotten memories. But Jung revealed a deeper layer, the collective unconscious, not built from personal experiences, inherited, a psychic inheritance of humanity itself. Jung says, the collective unconscious is not individually acquired, but inherited. It consists of pre-existent forms that only later become conscious. These forms are the archetypes, the invisible matrices of the human experience. An archetype is not a static symbol, it is not a fully formed image. Jung explains, the archetype is a tendency to form representations that can vary greatly in detail without losing their basic pattern. It is like a river underground. We do not see it, but we feel it in myths, dreams, art, and religion. Humanity never invented a myth. We responded to the ancient call of archetypal needs. The archetypes speak a language older than time, through metaphors, images, and emotions. The Great Mother, the nurturing womb, and the devouring abyss. Jung says, the mother image is, by definition, an archetype. Every experience of motherhood is shaped by this primordial matrix. The hero, the spirit that rises against chaos, risking life to achieve consciousness. The hero is he who sacrifices himself for his own becoming. The shadow, our dark side, the parts we reject but carry within. The shadow is the personality we do not wish to be, but we are. The anima and animus, the eternal woman within every man, the eternal man within every woman. Each man carries within him the image of the eternal woman, each woman the image of the eternal man. The wise old man and wise old woman, the ancestral voice of guidance. The trickster, the sacred fool who dismantles order to birth new growth. Each archetype is a station on the soul's journey. Each awaits us at a crucial turning point. Every search for validation is an unconscious pull of the mother archetype. Every act of judgment, a projection of the shadow. Every courageous leap toward the unknown, a call of the hero. Jung wrote, "We are not masters in our own house. We are visited, invaded, impelled by images inherited from the dawn of humankind." Individuation is not mere self-improvement. It is the painful, glorious journey of unifying opposites within. Facing the shadow, reconciling anima and animus, listening to the wise old man, integrating the trickster. There is no coming to consciousness without pain. Individuation is the adventure of becoming an indivisible whole. Dreams are not random. They are spontaneous productions of the unconscious. Jung teaches, the dream is a self-portrayal of the unconscious viewed from its own perspective. Symbols, animals, objects, each carries archetypal energy. To interpret a dream is to open a dialogue with the soul. Today we live in a world stripped of living myths. Jung warned, the emptiness of the modern spirit is a greater threat than any natural catastrophe. Without symbols, humanity drifts into meaninglessness. We must recover the ancient language of the soul, or risk losing ourselves completely. Within you, sleeping heroes await. Within you, dragons wait to be slain. Within you, the path to wholeness is already drawn. Jung wrote, the world will be saved if each soul saves itself. Saving your soul begins now, looking within, listening to your dreams, accepting the great adventure, becoming who you are destined to be.